Have you ever wondered how the food you eat impacts your brain health? It's a question that's been gaining more and more traction in recent years, and for good reason. It turns out our diet plays a hugely influential role in the health of our brains. Let's take a moment to understand this concept. Picture your brain as a high-performance engine. Now, just like a car engine runs best on high-quality fuel, our brains need the right nutrients to function optimally. The food we consume can either be the premium fuel that keeps our brains running smoothly, or it can be the low-grade fuel that leads to sputtering and breakdowns. Science is beginning to unravel the complex relationship between our diet and our brain health. Certain nutrients, it seems, can boost brain function, improve mood, and even protect against mental decline. Think of omega-3 fatty acids, for instance. They're the building blocks of the brain, helping to form the structure of our neurons, the brain's communication cells. These fatty acids are crucial for cognitive functions, such as memory and performance. Then there's B vitamins, which play a key role in brain health by helping to reduce levels of a molecule called homocysteine in the blood. High levels of homocysteine can lead to brain shrinkage and cognitive decline. And let's not forget about antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables. They help protect the brain from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals, which are generated during normal metabolism and can accelerate aging in the brain. The exciting thing is, these are just a few examples. There are numerous other nutrients that are equally important in maintaining and enhancing brain health. So, is it time to rethink our diets? Maybe, because understanding the connection between nutrition and brain health could be the key to improving our mental well-being and warding off cognitive decline. So it's clear that what we eat matters not just for our bodies, but for our minds too. The next time you're about to reach for that snack, remember, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your brain too. But how exactly does food affect our brains? Let's delve into the science. First, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, particularly DHA, are the building blocks of the brain. They're critical for learning and memory, and they also fight against brain damage. Our bodies can't produce them on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. Foods like fatty fish, walnuts, and chia seeds are rich in these brain-boosting fats. Next up are antioxidants. These are like the brain's personal bodyguards. They protect the brain by neutralizing harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells. By doing this, antioxidants help to prevent cognitive decline and improve brain longevity. Vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables, such as berries and spinach, are packed with these superhero molecules. We can't forget about B vitamins either. B vitamins, including B6, B9, and B12, play a vital role in brain health. They help to reduce levels of homocysteine in the blood, a compound that can lead to brain shrinkage and cognitive impairment if left unchecked. Foods rich in B vitamins include lean meats, eggs, and leafy green vegetables. Other nutrients also play significant roles in brain function. For instance, iron, which is found in foods like lentils and red meat, helps to carry oxygen to the brain, enhancing its function. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds and beef, plays a crucial role in nerve signaling. And let's not forget about flavonoids, compounds found in dark chocolate and berries, which improve memory and slow down brain aging. In essence, these nutrients and many others work in harmony to keep our brains functioning at their best. They improve our memory, enhance our cognition, and protect our brains from damage. It's a beautiful symphony of science and nutrition, playing out inside our bodies every day. Understanding these scientific principles helps us appreciate the power of good nutrition for brain health. Now that we understand the science, what foods should we be eating for optimal brain health? Let's dive right in. One of the best brain-boosting foods is fatty fish, like salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that play a key role in maintaining brain health. They are a major building block of the brain and are necessary for learning and memory. Next up are berries. Delicious and sweet berries are packed with antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. The darker the berry, the more beneficial. So reach for those blackberries, blueberries, and cherries. Turmeric has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. Its active compound, curcumin, crosses the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. It boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. Broccoli is high in antioxidants and vitamin K, believed to support brain health. Both of these compounds are believed to support brain health and slow down the damage to brain cells. Pumpkin seeds are packed with a rich spectrum of antioxidants and a high amount of magnesium, iron, zinc and copper. These are all nutrients that your brain needs to function optimally. Dark chocolate is not just a tasty treat, it's also a brain-boosting powerhouse, packed with a few brain-loving compounds including flavonoids, caffeine and antioxidants. Oranges, a well-known source of vitamin C, are key for preventing mental decline. Eating sufficient amounts of vitamin C-rich foods can protect against age-related mental decline and Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, eggs are good sources of several nutrients tied to brain health, including vitamins B6 and B12, folate and choline. Choline is an important micronutrient that your body uses to create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and memory. Incorporating these foods into our diet can significantly improve our brain health. So why not give it a try? After all, we are what we eat. It's food for thought, isn't it? On the flip side, what happens to our brains when we don't eat well? It's an important question, and the answer is far from appetizing. Poor nutrition can have a profound impact on brain health, with effects ranging from cognitive decline to decreased memory function and even an increased risk of mental health disorders. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. Imagine a high-performance vehicle. It needs the right fuel and regular maintenance to keep running smoothly. Similarly, our brains require the right nutrients to function optimally. When we deprive our brains of these essential nutrients, we're essentially running on empty. This can lead to cognitive decline, a broad term for decreased mental abilities like thinking, remembering, problem-solving, and decision-making. Next up, let's talk about memory. The brain is the command center for our memory, storing and recalling information as we need it. But when we fuel it with poor nutrition, memory function can take a hit. It's like trying to save data on a computer with a faulty hard drive. The information may get lost, or it might take longer to retrieve it. Now, onto mental health. Research has shown a strong link between poor nutrition and mental health disorders, including depression and anxiety. When our diets are high in processed foods and sugars, they can trigger inflammation in the brain, which is thought to contribute to these disorders. It's a stark reminder that what we eat doesn't just affect our physical health, but our mental well-being too. High sugar intake deserves a special mention here. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar can lead to a whole host of problems for the brain. It can cause insulin resistance, which may eventually lead to Alzheimer's disease, sometimes referred to as type 3 diabetes. And let's not forget about processed foods. They're often low in essential nutrients and high in additives that can harm the brain. Regularly consuming these foods can contribute to brain fog, a lack of mental clarity that can affect our daily lives. So it's clear that poor nutrition can have serious consequences for our brain health. Don't let your brain run on empty. Give it the fuel it needs to function at its best. Given the power of nutrition, how can we use it to promote our brain health? It's a question that merits a thoughtful response, as the answer lies in the everyday choices we make. Firstly, one of the most effective steps you can take is to incorporate more brain-boosting foods into your diet. These are foods rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins and minerals that provide energy and aid in protecting against brain diseases. Think of foods like blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, oranges, eggs, green tea, and dark chocolate. Now let's talk about fats. Your brain is largely made up of fat, so it makes sense that you need to consume fats for your brain to function correctly. But not all fats are created equal. Prioritize intake of good fats like omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish, flax seeds and chia seeds. These fats are essential for learning and memory. At the same time, it's crucial to reduce our intake of unhealthy foods. Foods high in refined sugars, for instance, can impair brain function and wreak havoc on your mood. Also, foods high in saturated fats, like fried foods and fatty meats, can hasten the brain's cognitive decline. Maintaining a balanced diet is another key aspect of promoting brain health. Strive for a diet that includes a variety of different foods. This will help ensure that you're getting a wide range of nutrients to support brain health. And let's not forget about hydration. Water is essential for delivering nutrients to the brain and for removing toxins. So make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Finally, remember that good nutrition is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your diet over time. Don't expect to transform your eating habits overnight. Remember, taking care of our brain health starts with what we put on our plate. So let's make each meal an opportunity to nourish our minds, fuel our bodies, and savor the joy of eating.